Hello, welcome to our English lesson. Would you like to have 3 wishes? Today, we travel to a city of sand and magic. We will learn English with the story of Aladdin, a flying carpet, and a funny genie. Let's start our adventure. One day, a man named Jafar finds Aladdin. Jafar is a bad man. He wants a magic lamp. He takes Aladdin to a big cave. "Go inside," Jafar says. "Find the lamp, but do not touch anything else." Aladdin goes inside. The cave is full of gold. There are many diamonds and jewels. Aladdin finds an old lamp. It is small and dusty. Suddenly, the cave begins to shake. Aladdin is trapped inside. Aladdin is scared. He looks at the lamp. He rubs the lamp to clean the dust. Poof! Blue smoke comes out. A giant blue genie appears. "Hello," says the genie. "I am the genie of the lamp. You have 3 wishes." Aladdin is very surprised. For his first wish, Aladdin wants to be a prince. He wants to meet Princess Jasmine. The genie snaps his fingers. Zap! Aladdin has beautiful clothes and a big parade. Now he is Prince Ali. Aladdin visits the palace. He takes Princess Jasmine on a magic carpet. They fly in the sky. "It is beautiful," says Jasmine. They are very happy. Aladdin and Jasmine fall in love. But Jafar is angry. He steals the magic lamp. He rubs the lamp. "I want to be the Sultan," he shouts. Then he says, "I want to be a powerful sorcerer." The genie must follow the rules. Jafar is now very dangerous. Aladdin is clever. He says to Jafar, "You are powerful, but the genie is more powerful." Jafar shouts, "I want to be a genie." This is his 3rd wish. Jafar becomes a red genie, but he must live inside a small lamp. He is trapped forever. Aladdin has 1 wish left. He does not wish for gold. He does not wish to be a king. He looks at his friend. "Genie, I wish for your freedom." Click. The genie is free. He is very, very happy. The Sultan says Aladdin can marry Jasmine. Aladdin is not a prince, but he has a good heart. They live happily ever after in Agrabah. Let's review our new words from the text. Wish, lamp, cave, palace, kind, free. Now repeat after me. I wish for a magic lamp. The genie is my friend. A whole new world. Fantastic! You finished the lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English stories. What is your wish? Tell us in the comments. See you next time!